Joyful Life Healthcare and Medical Foundation proudly presents workshop on building your English brain, OET, Ielts and PTE for medical and non-medical professionals. 2 days webinar. When on 18/7/2020 and 19/7/2020. Where in Zoom mobile application. Duration 9:30 AM to 12:30 PM. Pre-registration must. Registration fee ₹350. Participant benefits. Classes for OET and Ielts at low fee for those who attend this workshop. Free study materials. Overseas verification guidelines. Free job placements in overseas. Certificate will be provided. Speakers Mrs. Reena Matilda Assis, Mrs. Bharati N, Mrs. Maika, Mrs. Jennifer Jeroselan. 1 day OET, 2nd day Ielts and PTE. Introduction about OET and Ielts. Modules in OET and Ielts. Techniques to clear OET and Ielts. Tips for easy grammar. Key points to pass OET and Ielts. International vacancies for nurses and medical professionals. Good opportunity, don't miss it. Register soon. Limited seats only. Organized by Nirmal Williams, Director. For registration and enquiries, call us at 9176887367 and 9176880367. Admin Office 1767, First Block, 6th Street, 18th Main Road, Annanagar West, Chennai 40, Tamil Nadu. Workshop on building your English brain.